Volcanoes are our most explosive landforms. Able to eject molten rock and clouds of thick ash high into the atmosphere, with devastating consequences. Volcanoes mostly occur along destructive and constructive plate boundaries, where plates are pushed together or dragged apart. Cracks or weaknesses allow magma to rise up from below the Earth's crust. Pressure builds up, which then releases suddenly, causing the magma to explode. A volcanic eruption. Magma that reaches the Earth's surface is called lava. This molten lava eventually cools to form new rock. After more eruptions over time, a mound of rock builds up, forming a cone-shaped volcano. Volcanoes all have the same key structure. A collection of magma underneath the volcano forms a hot, bubbling furnace called the magma chamber. The main vent allows this magma to escape. And secondary vents are smaller outlets the magma can travel through. The caved-in surface is called the crater. It's created after an eruption blows the top off the volcano. Eruptions occur when pressure forces magma from the chamber up the main vent towards the crater. If the ash and mud from a volcano